How to use Google Maps walking direction. So here is a step-by-step guide to using Google Maps walking directions. So let's get started. First of all, open the Google Maps on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged in with your Google account. Now, once inside the Google Map, all you have to do is type in the place or address in the search bar at the top. Then simply select the place. So here I'm typing down my place and selecting it. Then it is the blue circle with an arrow. Tap on the direction option available there. By default, it is your current location. Tap it to change to another starting point if needed. Tap on the walking person icon from the travel mode options. A Google Map will show one or more walking routes. Tap on any to preview. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.